Zack D Films is one of the fastest growing YouTubers right now, even outpacing Mr. Beast. Only a few channels are copying his shots and making money from them. But not everyone can recreate shots like his, because making those kinds of animations costs thousands of dollars. And obviously not every creator can afford that. But don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you, too, can make such unique animations for free. But before we start the video, check out this short shot I made myself. If you're watching this video, take a look at this little clip I created. Done? Now use the prompt for the next scene here. Repeat this for every scene until all scenes are complete. See? Super simple. Friends, now it's time to convert these images into a video. For that, we'll use Weave 3, which is currently the most powerful tool. But there's a small problem. You can only create 5 videos per month. Why worry? I have a workaround. Whenever your credits run out, just make a new Gmail account and you'll get fresh credits again. And yes, before generating the video, remember this small setting that will use the fewest credits. Pay attention. Keep output set to output 1. Keep the model set to Weave 3. Select portrait mode here because we're making short videos. Then click the frame to video option. Select your first image. Okay? Now, if you remember the scene prompts we made earlier, copy the prompt for the first scene. Because this video is for the first scene. Copy-paste that first scene's prompt, and in just a few seconds, you'll see a powerful video get created. Download that video. Then, one by one, generate videos for all the other scenes the same way. For each scene, copy its respective prompt, paste it into Weave 3, and render. Be patient. And before you know it, you'll have a complete, professional quality short video. Now comes the final step, video editing. If you're new to editing, don't worry. CapCut is the perfect tool. After opening CapCut on your phone or PC, do this. Arrange all your clips in the proper order. Add voiceover and background music. Then sync the video to the audio. Add a little animation, transitions, and text effects to make the video more engaging. As soon as you export, your video is ready to blast through US feeds. But before uploading, check one very important step that will get your video to the right audience, the USA. The most common question people ask is, if we're building a channel for the USA, should we set the YouTube country to India or the USA? Listen, if you select the USA just because others told you to, understand that you may get into trouble. At monetization time, when documents are verified, YouTube will ask why the address mismatches, and your whole process could get stopped. So be smart and select your original country, even if your content is aimed at a US audience. Now, another very important step that decides whether your videos appear in search and recommendations is keywords. I found a powerful keyword list for you. All you have to do is copy these keywords, and before pasting them, be sure to add your channel name. Also, verify all of these settings because that tells YouTube you're an authentic creator, and it will push your videos more.